Kimberly Chiu, born April 19, 1990, is a Filipino actress and singer. Known for her performances in a range of genres across film and television, she rose to fame after winning the first teen edition of Pinoy Big Brother. Chiu's films have grossed over Philippine peso 1.36 billion at the box office, making her one of the highest-grossing box office stars of all time. Forbes Asia named her one of Asia Pacific's most influential Filipino personalities in 2020. Dubbed as the multimedia idol by various media outlets, she initially began playing supporting roles in several television shows early in her career. Her breakthrough came following her pairing with Gerald Anderson and has appeared together in a number of projects. Chiu has received numerous accolades for her work in film and television, including a Seoul International Drama Award, a FAMAS Award, 8-star awards for television, and 11 Box Office Entertainment Awards. As a recording artist, all of her studio albums have been certified gold or more by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry. She was picked by Disney Southeast Asia to model as Mulan in a special 2015 calendar shoot. In 2010, she was inducted into the Eastwood City Walk of Fame for her contributions to Philippine entertainment. Chiu is currently one of the main hosts of the noontime variety show It's Showtime and is a regular performer in the musical variety show ASAP since 2006. Kimberly Chiu was born on April 19, 1990. She is the fourth of 5 children to William Chiu, a businessman from Mindoro, and Luella, a native of Dinagat Islands, who migrated to Surigao del Sur. Both her parents are Chinese Filipino. She is fluent in Cebuano, Tagalog, and English, with her Waray, Hokkien, and Mandarin Chinese at a beginner level only. Since her parents' separation in 1998, Kim had a dysfunctional relationship with both of her parents. She and her siblings Lackham, Twinkle, William, and John Paul were raised by their paternal grandmother and, as children, frequently moved residences in the Visayas, including in Tacloban, Cebu, Cagajanda, Ora, General Santos, Mindoro, and back to Cebu City until 2006. In 2013, she reconciled with her father after 5 years of estrangement while visiting his second partner and half-siblings in San Jose, Occidental Mindoro. A month later, in June, her biological mother, Luella, fell into a coma. Following a week of hospitalization, Luella died on June 23, 2013, due to brain aneurysm. In a eulogy dedicated to her mother, she debunked rumors of animosity over her mother's child abandonment and expressed, "An angel guides me in my decisions in life. For me, that is finally my mom." Chiu dated former on-screen partner and fellow PBB housemate Gerald Anderson from 2006 to 2010. She previously had a relationship with leading man Xian Limit since 2012, After more than 10 years being together, the couple separated in 2023. On March 4, 2020, Chiu was traveling along Katipunan Avenue in Quezon City on her way to a taping of her series Love Thy Woman when to an identified gunman, riding in tandem on a motorcycle, fired 6 gunshots at her van. Chiu and her companions were unharmed. Investigators examined the shooting as a possible case of mistaken identity. Chiu later revealed on social media that, a day after the incident, a person claiming to have been the actual target called one of her bosses to apologize. As one of the Philippines' highest-paid endorsers, Chiu addressed the pork barrel scam in a press conference on August 28, 2013, noting the amount of tax celebrities like herself pay to the government. "The money isn't a joke. We pay so much tax, and we don't know where it's going." The Bureau of Internal Revenue confirmed Chiu as 131st top taxpayer in the country with Philippine peso 9.3 meters in income taxes in 2013. In 2015, Chiu passed the UPCAT and enrolled in University of the Philippines' UPOU program for business courses. Legal issues. Chiu filed a qualified theft complaint against her sister Lakambini Chiu after discovering serious financial discrepancies in one of their business ventures on December 2, 2025. Actress-host Kim Chiu filed a legal complaint against her sister Lakambini, citing serious financial discrepancies discovered in their business operations. Kim's talent label, Star Magic, confirmed that the actress filed the case at the Justice Cecilia Munoz Palma Hall of the Department of Justice building in Quezon City. She was accompanied by her legal counsels, representatives from Liplau Liligan Espinoza and Presto Legal and Technical Consultancy, as well as another sister, Twinkle, and her brother-in-law. In a statement obtained by ABS-CBN, Kim admitted the decision to sue Lakambini was a difficult one and one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing, Kim said. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me and the integrity of everything I have built. Kim said she was choosing transparency, responsibility, and accountability not just for herself, but also her brand and her supportive community, and asked the public for understanding and respect as her family navigates the issue. Despite this painful situation, I remain committed to my work, my supporters, and the continued growth of my business ventures. I also continue to pray for healing and resolution for everyone involved. Thank you for your support, compassion, and respect during this time. Kim ended. The lawyers told the outlet the complaint covered the current fiscal year, adding that Lakambini was part of the management of the business. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.